Hello and welcome to Don't Peek. Are you ready to take your English skills to the next level? Today, we're diving into a super important topic that can instantly make you sound more natural: collocations. First things first, what are collocations? A collocation is a natural combination of words that are often used together. They just sound right to native speakers. For example, we say, make a decision, and not do a decision. The wrong combination may confuse people or sound unnatural. Learning collocations helps you improve fluency and makes your English sound smooth and natural. Now, collocations can be grouped into different types based on how the words pair together. Let's go over some common types with examples. Examples include: take a break, make progress, save money. Examples: strong coffee, bright future, heavy rain. Examples: depend on, focus on, agree with. Examples: traffic jam, team leader, success story. Examples: highly successful, deeply grateful, absolutely amazing. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence with a missing word, and you fill in the blank with the correct collocation. Ready? I need to make a decision about my job. It's going to rain tomorrow. Don't forget to bring your. The coffee is too for me. I prefer tea. We should on the important tasks first. Here are some quick tips to master collocations. Pay attention to how words are paired in books, articles, and conversations. Write down new word combinations you come across. Test yourself regularly. Use these collocations in your daily conversations. Remember, the more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Before we wrap up, here's a fun challenge for you. Can you think of 3 collocations with the word time? Write them in the comments below. I'll feature the best answers in my next video. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more fun and engaging English lessons. Remember, learning collocations will help you sound more natural and confident in English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.